Guys, it's me. Today we have a repair of this status phone, 16-inch status phone. Today it's slowing down. It doesn't blow as much air as its first, so we're gonna oil it today with WD-40. So this is actually how slow it is. Like, when I turned it on today, it was so slow. But look, it's fine on number 3 as well. But like, I'm worried that it might, like, the motor may be warm. So I'm gonna take it off its stand. If you like to take on my feet. There we go. So, I'm just gonna like bring you up. The guard does come off. There is 4 clips around the fan. 1, 2, 2 on this side, and another 2 on this side. You might want to, oh jeez, don't get more damage. You want to unplug it. There is a little safety pin at the bottom of the guard, wherever your fan is. If it has a clip around it, like the Tesco, like that, then you want to unscrew the bottom of it, or wherever the thing is. This is already on this. This is actually my first repair on this status phone. Let's take the guard off. Yeah, it is a bit stiff, you can tell, if you can tell. In person it is a bit stiff. Yeah, so you want to unscrew this part. It will, this will hold, never mind. This will hold the blades, and then you can just pull the blades off. And this holds the back guard that just fell. See. I'm gonna put it here for now. So where's my screwdriver now? Oh yeah, here. There is 4 screws around here. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see. So you want to unscrew that. I would recommend WD-40 or whatever you like 3-in-1 oil, or WD-40. I told my mum about it, so I said that I'm gonna do a video. So here we go. Good sake. There's all the screws. So you might want to keep all the screws in the holder so that you don't lose them. That's what I usually do with all my fans. You don't want to, I would recommend Osher oil in it. It is so slow. When I turn it on, just watch. It is fine. Turns off straight as turn it off. So you want to keep it like this when you're oiling the first one. I want to there we go. I'd rather do the back as well. There we go. You want to take the oscillation knob off as well. Why's my camera so zoomed in? So it may have a screw in it or something. And there's a screw at the back of it, if I could use it. There will be like a little cap. A bit sticky. I'm just gonna take the back screw off. Make sure you don't lose all these screws, and there will be a screw at the back. This what it looks like in the back of the status fan. There's lots of videos of like oiling fans and stuff on YouTube if you search up how to oil a fan. So I'm gonna do the back, same as the back as well. Oops. I'm just gonna do this off camera for now. I don't know why it's still like a bit stiff. Coming a bit loose now. Maybe it will come a bit loose whilst back together. Don't worry guys, that's done like the oscillation knob. If I make it oscillate and not. If the status fan is still not like, if the fan, this is still not working, then there is a problem. Wait, let me just get the fan blades. Don't try this at home. It does like to spin a little bit more freely. Jesus Christ. I wanted to go in the like actual motor. I just wanted to go like in it, just in the bearings. You definitely want to make sure where the shaft goes in. Just going a bit more freely. It will just stop automatically. So just attach the blades again. I do have this on every single night, so oh, the blades won't come off. There we go. So you can see it now, like it's on speed 1. It is a teeny bit. I'm gonna do like the same on the oscillation part as well. Yeah, this is. I don't mind it doing it for people that I know, but like if you need your fan to like be cleaned or anything, just ask me. Maybe just put in the comments on how do you clean my fan, like this kind of fan, then you may ask me. Where? I'm fixing my fan. Yeah, so. I'm fixing one of my fans. So that's. I'll just quickly put this back together. So it is coming up freely now. I'm just putting the oscillation back. So I'm gonna put the back on now. Well, it came up freely now, so it is good. Where's the oscillation piece? I just know. Here it is. Found it. Wait! Wait! Yeah. Something fell out of my mum's car, I think. Got on my arm. Come on. Right. Yeah. I'm gonna do a video later of it. Still part 2.